Okay, got a cool grasshopper here that must have come in off when I was out there pruning the rose. Oh, we got a bird in our house. We have a bird in our house. There he is. A sparrow has come in our house. Is that a sparrow or a wren? We've got a bird in the house. How are we going to get this out? Okay, hang on, buddy. I'll get you help. We got a bird in the house, and we got a grasshopper I just brought in up when I was pruning the rose bush. It's not coming in very clear. Oh, where'd he go? Hey, Mike. The bird's still here. And we've got a grasshopper, too.